where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video has to do with the fall decoration in another area of my home. But before we get started, I'll ask that you take just a couple seconds and press that subscribe button below so you'll be notified when the new videos are uploaded. Now, let's get started. Welcome to my guest bathroom downstairs. So you've seen this guest bathroom before, but you've never seen it decorated for the fall, and that's what I'd love to show you today. Now on the counter here, I have some towels that our guests can use when they are in this bathroom to dry their hands with after they've washed their hands. But also there are paper towels here that we keep so they can either use the paper towels here or the cloth towels here. Now I have candles in here which I usually have lit, but for purpose of this video I'm not going to light them today. But we have several candles here that we use when we during the course of the day, of course. This bathroom has beveled glass all over, so as I pan around you'll see it has beveled glass mostly from floor to ceiling, or midway I should say. And I keep the guest towels here as well, some more guest towels. So this is what it looks like in this bathroom. We do have two chandeliers in here, so it's very pretty when the lights are on. And the beveled glass is midway on the side here. Now we'll switch over to this area where we keep floral arrangement is kept right here, and it depends on the season. At Christmas time it's very different, during the summer it's different, and at Easter time it's different as well. This is the other area here of this bathroom. So it's the entire bathroom is beveled glass, which makes it very, very pretty. So that is an overview of this bathroom. I will of course show you where we keep extra paper here, and the towels are there, and of course other decorative items are kept here. But that pretty much is our guest bathroom, as you can see. Very, very pretty, all decked out for the holidays. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope of course that you take some time to subscribe to my channel. I love to organize my home. I enjoy doing that, and I am sure you do as well. And it just motivates me to get things organized, and I'm sure it motivates you as well to organize things in your home. So together, if you'd love, subscribe to my channel, be a part of our community, and I really, really look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.